Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a boy named Oliver. While skyscrapers towered above him, Oliver found solace in something different: plants. His small apartment was a jungle of greenery, with every inch adorned by leaves and blooms of various shapes and sizes. Oliver's love for plants was more than just a hobby, it was his passion. He knew each plant by name, their preferred sunlight exposure, and watering schedule. His friends often teased him, calling him the green guardian of the concrete jungle. One day, as Oliver tended to his plants on the balcony, he noticed something peculiar. A tiny sprout nestled among his pots seemed to shimmer with an ethereal glow. Intrigued, Oliver nurtured the sprout with extra care, and soon it grew into a magnificent tree unlike any he had seen before. Its branches stretched towards the sky, emitting a soft, otherworldly light. Word of Oliver's magical tree spread quickly, attracting visitors from far and wide. Some sought its healing properties, while others simply marveled at its beauty. But Oliver remained humble, tending to his plant with the same love and dedication as before. As seasons passed, Oliver's tree became a symbol of hope and unity in the city. People from all walks of life would gather beneath its branches, finding comfort and inspiration in its presence. Through his unwavering love for plants, Oliver had not only transformed his own life, but had also brought joy and wonder to an entire community. And as he looked upon his thriving garden, Oliver knew that his journey as the Green Guardian was just beginning.